In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pre-plan with Milanote 2026. Step by step. We're going to turn Milanote into your content headquarters so you can brainstorm, organize, script, plan visuals, and line up your entire production without chaos. Start by opening Milanote and creating a new board. Give it a clear, descriptive name that matches your project, like YouTube tutorial, photo P guide. Think of this board as the single place where everything lives, from early ideas to final checks. A strong board name makes it easy to find and reuse later. Next, do a brain dump. Add notes for video ideas, hooks, and title variations. Don't worry about structure yet. Just get everything out of your head and onto the board. If you're stuck, quickly gather inspiration from creators you admire and see what angles or hooks catch your attention. The goal is quantity first. Quality will come with organization. Now shape your content flow. Create sections for hook, intro, main content, and call to action. Drag your notes into these areas so your story forms visually. This step brings clarity fast and helps you spot gaps or overlaps before you script. Write your script in small, manageable chunks. Break it by scene or beat and use separate cards for each part. You might have a hook card like, "Here's how to pre-plan your videos fast," followed by cards for open Milanote and create your board. Short cards keep recording snappy and make retakes easier. Add visual references to lock in the look and feel. Upload thumbnail drafts, screenshots, and color ideas. You can pull inspiration from design tools if you like. Seeing your visual direction alongside the script helps you imagine the final output before you film. Plan your shots and scenes with a simple shot list. Include talking head, screen recording, and B-roll. Add a checklist to track progress, such as record intro, capture screen, and add overlays. Checking these off as you go reduces missed pieces on shoot day. Organize assets on the board with clear sections for video clips, music or audio, and links to cloud folders or references. Keeping everything in one place speeds up editing and collaboration. Build a content calendar right on the board. Map upload dates and content types, for example, Monday for tutorials, Wednesday for shorts, Friday for tips. A visible schedule keeps you consistent. Before publishing, run a pre-published checklist. Script done, filmed, edited, thumbnail ready, and SEO optimized. Finally, duplicate the entire board and reuse it as a template for future videos. Once you've set this up, you'll save hours every week.